Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Matt.
I'm Petra.
This is my brother Jason here, and today this is gonna be our part 3 of 4 of our Flying Dog Variety Pack series. And right now we have the Doggy Style Pale Ale from Flying Dog. Let's go ahead and get a quick shot of that sweet-looking bottle art there. Having some lighting issues, some focus issues. You can kind of see it there. All right. So yeah, I guess let's go ahead and just crack this bad boy open.
Yep.
Let you know what we think.
I haven't had this one before, so we'll see how it tastes.
Yeah. Okay. So the initial pour. A little bit more colorful than the last one. Kind of like an amber.
I like that.
Yeah, I like that.
Very deep.
Very
Makes
pretty.
me think of Jurassic Park.
Yeah.
Amber,
Yeah.
the
The mosquito.
dinosaur DNA.
Sorry, DNA.
Okay, so I guess appearance. We kind of already talked about it a little bit. It's got like a nice amber color
Beautiful.
to it.
Kind of makes
Very
me
pretty.
think of maple syrup.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, definitely.
Quite beautiful.
Yeah. Very pretty.
Yeah, it's just a deep amber golden color.
Mm-hmm.
Looks almost rosy if you look at it through the light too. A little
Yeah.
pink in there.
Yeah,
It's very nice.
definitely. All right, I guess let's go ahead and get aroma.
Mm.
That's good.
Yeah,
That's a good pale ale right there.
you smell the hops.
Yeah, it's very hoppy. Yeah, looking forward to trying this. Oh my gosh.
That's
I'm
great.
not getting a super strong smell from it, but yep,
Yeah.
hops.
It's not
Pretty
like
nice.
overpowering smell wise, but
Compared to what we've been tasting.
yeah. This is definitely a little tamer on the aroma, but very hoppy.
Mhm.
So I guess let's go ahead and clink them.
Clink.
Clink them. Bottoms up.
Comes
Oh,
on really
wow.
strong.
Very strong, yeah. It's got and it just like fills your mouth. Very intense. Very delicious.
It's still light though.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, it's still not. It's not very heavy, but still goes down smooth.
Yeah, it's very smooth.
But it does linger. I can taste like the bitter
Yeah,
feel or whatever.
definitely, dude. What do you think, Pedro?
I do think it lingers like really hoppy beer does. It's very clear, I guess. At the same time, that's sort of getting into the mouth feel of it. Yeah, smooth.
Very
Good.
smooth. Yeah, good beer. Every beer in this list is awesome. Yeah, definitely stays with you. But
I don't taste anything specific though. Not caramel.
Yeah, it's
or
nothing
anything.
specific. I was like trying to think of some
Just
good adjectives,
A
but
kind of classic pale ale.
yeah, definitely. Very classic pale ale. But yeah, I love this beer. My gosh.
good stuff. My dad's a fan of pale ales and India pale ales, so
Mm-hmm.
maybe I'll recommend it to him.
Yeah.
And then what's the difference? Well, I guess it's just double a double IPA.
Oh,
It's just double
double the I. Double the I.
double EI.
Don't forget the PA.
It's good.
Sweet.
Yeah, we loved it.
General impression.
General impression.
All liked it.
Your impression? Yeah, nothing crazy. It was good.
Yeah, it's not too hoppy. Sometimes people avoid IPAs because they're like, oh no, I don't like hops. But if you're, maybe trying to get into it, like I said, clear, smooth.
Good introduction to IPAs.
Yep,
Yeah.
taste the hops.
Yeah.
Gimme stuff.
Definitely. Well, once again, we'd like to thank you for joining us, and this is going to be our third part of our 4-part series for the Flying Dog Variety Pack. We got one more coming up for you, and yeah. Subscribe. Yeah, make sure to subscribe. Hit that like button.
Join us for more on Uncapped, and we'll see you in the future.
Yeah, definitely. Have a good one.
Bye.